Hello friends, good morning all of you. Today we are discuss on new chapter such as F block element, 4F and 5F block element such as lanthanides and actinide series. Okay, so in this chapter we are discuss introduction of F block element, position in periodic table F block element, and electronic configuration of first lanthanide and afterwards actinides. Okay, so now let's start. So here we are discuss position of F block element in periodic table. Okay, so this is the periodic table, and here different block: S block, P block, D block, and F block. Okay, so left side S block element, right side P block element, in between S and P are D block element. Okay, so in this D block element, 3B scandium, group 3B scandium, ytterbium, lanthanum, and actinum. Okay, so this is the group 3B element. Okay, so in this group 3 element also include a F block element, but this sake of convenience F block place in bottom of the periodic table. Okay, so this is the position of F block element in periodic table. So first introduction. So generally D block elements and F block elements are called transition element. Okay, why? Because they are transition. When electron transfer d to d orbit is called dd transition. When electron transfer from f to f orbital is called ff transition. Okay, so the transition elements having partly filled d orbitals and f cell. So there are two types: main transition or d block element, and second is inner transition or F block element. Okay, so there are two types F block element such as 4F and 5F. There are two types of F block element. F block element, 4F block element starts from cerium to lutetium, and these lanthanide includes 14 elements. Okay, so in 5f element, 5 block 5f block element starts from thorium to lawrencium. Okay, so this is called actinides and include 14 elements. Okay, so definition: those elements in which last electron enters in the antipenultimate cell, n-2 second cell, is called F block element. And electronic configuration of these block element, write down like this: n-2 F0 to 14 and n-1 second cell, D0 to 1, and last ns2. This is the electronic configuration of F block element. Now we are discuss on inner transition element. Why we are called a inner transition element? Because these elements are also called a inner transition element because of f orbitals are not penultimate but anti-penultimate, last but second cell. Electron enter in second cell n-2, Okay, so this is called F block element because of the elements in which the additional electrons enters n minus 2f orbitals are called inner transition element. The valence shell electronic configuration of the elements is n minus 2 f0 to 14 and n minus 1 d0 to 1 and ns2. So 4f in 4f block elements are inner transition metals are known as lanthanides because of they comes immediately after the lanthanum La, and 4f inner transition metals are known as actinoids because they comes immediately after actinum elements. Okay, so lanthanum series of elements. Okay, lanthanum series start from cerium to lutetium, and these lanthanides only promethium pm promethiums are synthesis in artificial. So actinides starts from thorium to lawrencium, and in which 14 elements, mainly thorium and uranium, occurs naturally and others are synthesis artificially. Okay, so in this lanthanum and actinum, lanthanums in which only promethiums are synthetic, artificially synthesis, but actinides containing thorium and uranium occurs naturally, others are synthesis artificially. Sometimes neptunium and plutonium pu. Okay, so these are also occurs in nature. Okay, but they capture neutron from uranium. Okay, and this is the small abundance. Next is the scandium, ytterbium, lanthanum, cerium to lutetium. S block elements are the real rare earth metal. Okay, so discovery of the rare earth metal. In 1794, ytterbiums discovered. To 1947, promethiums are discovered. So, discovery of actinides. So, 1789, uranium first discovered, and then to up to 1971, lawrencium discovered. Okay, so naturally occurring actinides, thorium, Pa, uranium, neptunium, and plutonium. So this is the occurs in naturally. Plutonium and neptunium is small amount occurs in nature. Okay, so now we discuss a position of F block element in periodic table. So this actual position in between lanthanum and hofmonium in group 3b. Okay, so group 3b, these F block elements in between the second A and fourth B means group third B. Okay, so this only for sake of convenience, these F block elements are shown the bottom of the periodic table. Okay, so this is the position of F block element in periodic table. Okay, so first is the lanthanum series and second is the actinum series. So these lanthanum series include 14 elements, cerium to lutetium, and actinides series starts from thorium to lawrencium. So now we discuss electronic configuration of F block elements such as lanthanides. So these 14 elements include in lanthanide series. So this is the name of lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, niobium, promethium, etc. So this is the name of actinium series element, and this is the symbol LaCprnd, etc. and its atomic number. These lanthanum series starts from 58. Lanthanide series start from 58 atomic number to 71. Okay, 72 atomic number it's hafnium. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of lanthanum. Xenon 4F0 6s2 5d1. This is the electronic configuration of lanthanum, and lanthanum is not a part of F block element because F orbital containing 0 element, and this is lanthanum is a part of D block element. But what is the electronic configuration of cerium? Cerium, its electronic configuration is xenon 4f1 6s2 5d1. Okay, so this is the F block element because last electron enters in F orbital, 4f orbital, and this cerium to lawrencium is a part of 4f block element. Okay, so this lanthanum containing 4 electron, sorry, 3 electron, so it shows a plus 3 oxidation state. What is the oxidation? It means lose of electron. So lanthanum first lose 1 electron, 2 electron and 3 electron because lanthanum containing only 3 electron, so that's why they show plus 3 oxidation. Similarly, cerium containing 4 electron in outermost shell, but they shows a 2 oxidation state, plus 3 and plus 4. Okay, cerium shows plus 3 because S and D orbitals are containing 3 electrons, and these 3 electrons lose easily. Okay, so that's why it shows plus 3 oxidation state and show its electronic configuration of Ln3 plus 4f1 6s0 and 5d0 means plus 3 oxidation state, it contain 4f1 electron. Okay, so this is the oxidation state. Cerium shows 2 oxidation state, plus 3 as well as plus 4. Okay, so in this lanthanum series common oxidation state is plus 3, also shows plus 4. Okay, there are only 2 oxidation state, plus 3 and plus 4. So another example, promethium. Okay, promethium also shows sodium prosodium. Okay, so prosodium plus 3, its atomic number 59 and its electronic configuration after lose 3 electron. Prosodium plus 3, it shows electronic configuration 4f2 6s0 5d0 because they lose only D and S orbital and containing remain 2 electrons in F orbitals. So next is the niobium. Niobium, its electronic configuration is 4f4 and 6s2. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of neodymium. Okay, so neodymium also lose plus 3 oxidation state because lose 3 electron. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration and oxidation state of lanthanum series. So in this, cerium, gadolinium and lutetium shows a d1 electron. Okay, so other element shows only 4f and 6s electron. Okay, so lanthanum containing 0 electrons in f orbital, so shows 4f7 electron, and lutetium it shows a f14 electron configuration is more stable because of they empty, half filled and completely filled orbitals. It shows half filled, completely filled and full fill orbitals. That's why they contain d electron as well as f and s electron. Other element shows only 4f and 6s electron. Okay, so 4 electron not take part in 4f orbital containing 0 electron. 4f electrons not take part in chemical bonding. In lanthanum series, 4f electrons not take part in chemical bonding because of cells are protected from s and p electrons. Is the electronic configuration of a lanthanum series. Okay, lanthanide series. So next lecture we are discuss oxidation state of lanthanum. Just we are discuss a oxidation state, electronic configuration, position and general introduction. Okay, so now we are stop here. Next lecture we are discuss oxidation state, atomic and ionic radii and occurrence of lanthanide series. Okay, so now we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.